Well, every Easter, lots of moms and dads give in to the Easter bunny temptation and buy a rabbit for their kids. But once the bunny fever goes away, many rabbits find themselves right back where they started, in a shelter perhaps, up for adoption. So in today's Find a Friend segment, sponsored by Rascal Animal Hospital, we have head vet Dr. Michelle Gonzalez, joined by Heather Dean, who's from the Columbus House Rabbit Society, to give us some insight into this. So thanks, ladies, for being here.
Thanks, Robin.
So first off, Heather, we do always bring adoptable pets. Usually Dr. G has a dog or a cat with her. Today, though, you brought some bunnies. So who do you have with you?
Absolutely. Woody and Chester came to be on TV with me today. They're the stars of the show.
Of course.
They were actually part of a larger rescue operation out of Morrow County. They were very young when they were rescued and brought to the House Rabbit Society. And now they're buddies, and they're young rabbits, very outgoing, and they are ready for adoption.
And they're only about 6 months old, right?
Yes, yes.
So will they get bigger than they are currently?
Probably not. They're probably about full size now. And one of the things that a lot of people don't realize is although they are 6 months old, they can live a long time. Rabbits can be 8 to 10 years old, even longer.
Right.
And so they're a lot of fun. Like I said, they're outgoing. They're a great part of the home. They want to be part of the family. They're interactive and social, but at the same time, they're not necessarily an animal that likes to be picked up.
Right.
If you think about that, they're prey animals.
Right. They are not your lap dog.
Absolutely
So it's very
not.
different. You have this campaign, in 2002 you really started it, called Make Mine Chocolate, which is very fitting right now, obviously. You do it every year around Easter. So what is the concept?
The concept is to really encourage families who may be considering going and getting their child a pet rabbit for Easter. So cute, the child will love it. Unfortunately, about 2 weeks later, reality sets in, and you've got this live animal. So we just encourage families to look into it, research, find out what's involved. And if you find that, hey, this may not be a good fit for us, then chocolate or a toy bunny is the way to go.
Because they can be a great addition. We've talked, I had a rabbit when I was young. It lived about 12 to 13 years.
Yeah.
So you know it's a commitment. It is not something you're gonna have like a goldfish or something like that. And it takes a lot of work.
Absolutely. So we say rabbits are great for the family, maybe not necessarily a pet for a young child. Rabbits are fragile. Picking them up, they can become injured or they can accidentally scratch the child as well. So it's a family pet for sure. And so definitely look into those things. Another piece they may not realize is spaying and neutering.
Right.
A lot of folks don't realize you can do that. And it's just like a cat or a dog. A lot of the behavioral problems will subside once you spay or neuter the rabbit.
And Dr. G, that's where you guys come in, because people hear all the time, neuter your cat and dog, spay, but we don't usually hear about rabbits. It's important.
Absolutely, it's important. It's important for the exact same reasons that we tell people about dogs and cats. It's about their behavior. It's about their health. It's about overpopulation, so that guys like these are not stranded looking for a home.
Right. So you guys offer a good deal, too. You're running a promotion through the month of March specifically.
Right. Absolutely, and basically we always have low-cost sterilization for rabbits. Our cost is only $90 for the rabbits, and we do provide pain control, which is really, really important. Rabbits can get very sick if they're not eating because they're painful, so those are all the things that people need to educate themselves. So during the month of March, we actually have a promotion that is $15 off the $90 cost. So it's only $75 to get a rabbit spayed or neutered. It doesn't matter if it's a male or a female.
Okay, and Heather, tell us more how, if somebody brought a rabbit home, like Woody or Chester, what do they need to realize before they bring them home?
Okay, first and foremost, make sure that rabbit is spayed or neutered. Second, make them a part of the family. You can see the setup here in the studio with this large pen, and that really allows the rabbit room to hop around, stand up, get some exercise, and rabbits can be let outside of this pen to interact with the family as well, because they are very social animals. Just be aware of, again, the long-term commitment that you're signing up for, and be aware that sometimes picking up the rabbit to cuddle can be frightening, so it's best to stay on their level and pet them. And most importantly, you've got to protect your home, because rabbits do like to dig.
They like to chew cords.
Yes, and that's a natural behavior. So you do have to protect your home and protect the rabbit from chewing something they shouldn't be.
Okay, again, those rabbits up for adoption and many more with the Columbus House Rabbit Society.
Absolutely.
And you have a Facebook page and a website. Those are probably great places to go for fundraising events and to see lots more pictures, right?
And if anyone is interested in adopting Woody and Chester, they are available through Pet Finder.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, guys. We'll be right back.
Thank you.